Hello, Internet. Welcome to Making Money. My name's Eric. This is your Daily Dollar. I give you one financial lesson every day to help you with your finances. I'm tired today. It's been a really long day. I'm filming this really late. Got about maybe half an hour before before I missed today. And I've gotten to the first day this year so far that I almost was like, I don't know if I want to film today. I'm just so tired. But gotta film, gotta get these up. Gotta get you guys your lessons. But I thought that would be a good chance for us to talk about a lesson that when we talk about finance, not a lot of times, is touched upon. It's a lot of go, 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 go. And we're in a bit of a grind culture these days where, we burn the candle at both ends. This is seen a lot. I'm very connected to the video game industry myself. So this is seen a lot in the video game industry. In fact, to a really horrible degree that people are just, they're almost, the mindset is like, you've gotta pull, 10, 11 hour days, 12, 13 hour days, weekends and, push. So today's lesson is take a break. It is okay to take a break now and then. It's very important to look after not only your mental health, but your physical health. When we talk about finances, a lot of times, it's a lot of go, right? You want to get your income, you want to do the great stuff, you want to add value, you want to make the monies, but you also got to take time for yourself. And sometimes you're just tired. It just happens. Today, I'm just tired. So I obviously didn't put a ton of research into today's lesson. This is more of a life lesson, but it's still extremely important. So make sure that you're taking time for yourself. Make sure that you're looking out for your health. It's very important. Taking breaks is just one way that you can do that. And I'm sure we'll do lessons at some point on both mental and physical health because those are extremely important. But for today, take a break. If you need it, take it. Whether it's 5 minutes, a day, a weekend, a week, whatever it is, from whatever's stressing you out or making you tired, take a break. You may not feel like you are in a situation to take a break, but I bet you, if you really think about it, you can carve out a little time, take a break. And if you really, really can't, maybe you should take a look at what you're doing and reorganize. Try to figure out, okay, is this really the healthiest thing for me? But yeah, that's today's lesson. Hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys had a great day. It's been a very busy week, but it's been a very good week. So I'm interested. Are you in a situation that you feel like you are just grind? Do you have that mindset? Sorry, I couldn't think of the word. That you have to just keep pushing and pushing. Love to hear about it in the comments below. As always, you can hit me up on Twitter, link in the description. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another lesson. Hopefully a little bit more awake. Have a good one, guys. See ya.